A Candle and Soap Making Hobby Product Guide. Chapter 1. Candle and Soap Making for Fun and Maybe Profit. Candle and Soap Making Organizations. Candles.org, National Candle Association. The Cosmetic, Toiletry, and Fragrance Association. 1101 17th Street NW, number 300. Washington, D.C. 20036-4702. 202-331-1770. ctfa.org. The National Association for Holistic Aromatherapy. 888-275-6242. naha.org. Soap and Detergent Association. 475 Park Avenue, South New York, New York 10016. 212-725-1262. sdahq.org. Candles and Soap for Sale websites. abundantearth.com, 888-513-2784. aquasapone.com.au/recipes. beeswaxcandles.com, 888-350-4929. bestoncosmetics.com/homemade-beauty- blossomland.com. bostoncandle.com. brambleberry.com. bubbles.org. candlecauldron.com. candlecentral.com. candlecraftcenter.com. candlemaking.com. candlemaking.org.uk. candlemart.com. candlesandSupplies.com. candlesbyclarissa.com. candletech.com. canblueply.com. candycraftmolds.com. canwax.com. chasecandles.com, 800-225-2250. coachlightcandle.com, 800-487-1180. colebrothers.com/soap. countrystarcandles.com. craftcave.com. createthedream.com. diamatierunlimited.com. deltacrafts.com. dfp.com. dgsense.com. dittocandles.com, 800-346-7221. efragranceoil.com/page12.htm. greenfeet.com, 888-562-8873. herhealdhandbeauty.com/articles/home igca.net, Candle Artisans. nightlightcandle.com. lonestarcandlesupply.com. lindenhouse.net, Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, 780-448-1994. makeastuff.com, the health and beauty section. make-stuff.com/formulas/index.html. makingcosmetics.com. meltanpour.com. mayaralights.com. millersoap.com. naturesbouquet.com. honestopcandle.com. peakcandle.com. pioneerthinking.com/sslotion.html. recipes.herbalsoapsbyrj.com/recipes. recipes.htm. soapandmore.com/homemade_soap_soap_s. soapcandlefactory.com. soapcrafters.com, soap making. soapnaturally.org. soapnuts.com/lothlp2.html. soapplace.com. soapteacher.com. turbify.com/allured, books. towarts.com, 877-826-2787. teachasoap.com. thecandlebarn.com. waltonfeed.com/old/soaphome.html. waxhouse.com. waxingmoon.co.za. waxing-moon-candles.com. waxpoeticstore.com. wholesalesuppliesplus.com. yankeecandle.com. Candles and soap for sale. aeroot.com. 800-289-7668. Amaranthin Aromatics. 800-842-8609. Aroma.com. American Candle Classics. 19 East Martin St. Allentown, Pennsylvania 18103. 610-791-7768. AmericanCandleClassics.com. Aphrodisia Products. 800-221-6898. AphrodisiaProducts.com. Barker Candle Making Supplies. 15106 10th Avenue. SW. Seattle, Washington 98166. 800-543-0601. BarkerCO.com. Belmae.com. 914-376-1515. CajunCandles.com. 800-667-6424. The Candle Factory. 4411 South Interstate Highway 35. Georgetown, Texas 78626. 800-344-0993. 512-863-6025. TheCandleFactory.com. Candlemaking.com. 888 Missy's 1. Candlemart.com. 800-327-9826. Candlesupply.com. Soapsupply.com. 877 Melt Wax. CandleWIC.com. 610-847-2076. Candleworks.org. 888-511-5177. Sierra Candles. 4750 Longley Lane. Number 103. Reno, Nevada 89502. 800-281-4337. SierraCandles.com. Creation Herbals Wholesale. 828-262-0006. CreationSoap.com/wholesale. Creative Designs Enterprise. 909-369-8232. SweetScent.com. ed. Loose Packaging. 562-997-9777. EssentialsUpplies.com/index.htm. Bottles, jars, etc. Environmental Technology, Inc. 707-443-9323. eti-usa.com. Essential Oil Company. 8225 Southeast 7th Avenue. Portland, Oregon 97207. 800-729-5912. EssentialOil.com. From Nature with Love. 718-822-6873. from-nature-withlove.com/soap. gemcraftincture.com. 800-627-0820. Glora B Candle Making Supplies. 120 North Seneca. POG 2744. Eugene, Oregon 97402. 800-456-7923. glorybfoods.com. gloryb.com. herbnet.com. 717-393-3295. lavacandles.com. 800-622-6353. labormuth.com. 800-648-1123. 219-259-7000. Loranoils.com. 800-862-8620. Man Lake Supply. County Road 40 and 1st St. Hackensack, Minnesota 56452. 800-233-6663. manlakeltd.com. moldman.com. 530-247-0447. Moonacre Ironworks. 62 Chambersburg St. Gettysburg, Pennsylvania 17325. 717-337-9200. Municiari.com. NASCO 901 Janesville Avenue, Fort Atkinson, Wisconsin 53538. 800-558-9595. NASCO.com. NW Candle Making, Inc. POB 515. Vashon, Washington 98070. 866-205-6376. nwcandlemaking.com. Poretco. 6818 Roosevelt Way, NE. Seattle, Washington 98115. 206-525-4488. 800-888-9425. Poret.com. Rainshadowlabs.com. 800-543-9133. SensoURCE.com. 888-388-2418. scentistics.net. 603-536-1824. Summers Past Farm. 15602 Old Highway 80. Flynn Springs, California 92021. 800-390-9969. summerspastfarms.com. sunburstbottle.com. 916-348-5576. Sunfeather. Handcrafted Herbal Soap Company. 1551 State Highway 72. Potsdam, New York 13676. 800-771-7627. sunsoap.com. The Wax House. 15009 Held Circle, Cold Spring, Minnesota 56320. 320-363-0411. waxhouse.com. un-du.com. 888-289-8638. walnuthillco.com. 800 Need Wax. 215-785-6511. wholesalesuppliesplus.com. 800-359-0944. wixstore.com. 800-343-8114. Willow Way LLC. 5697 East 300 North. Greenfield, Indiana 46140. 317-467-8645. soapequipment.com. Yaley.com. 800-95 Yaley. Ye Old Soap Shop. 15602 Old Highway 80. Flynn Springs, California 92021. 619-390-3525. soapmaking.com.